Hello student, welcome to Vidyanest. Today our topic is hyperbola, one of the important part of conic section. Conic sections, circle, parabola, ellipse were taught earlier but in that time we did not do differentiation properly. So for the time being we had to give a pause on this chapter. Now differentiation is over, so we can recall this chapter and can complete the full circle of uh, conic section. Okay.
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 Yes.
Now just I am reminding you that conic sections basic is what? PS is equal to EPM. In case of parabola, E will be 1. In case of ellipse, E will be less than 1. In case of hyperbola, E will be greater than 1. But other basic things, that locus of a point with locus of a point will have distance PS and PM and the ratio will be E. That concept will recur. Now, how to frame the equation of the parabola? Is it like ellipse? Hyperbola, is it like ellipse, or just a reciprocal approach of ellipse? Let's see. We did parabola, so you consider hyperbola as the combination of two parabola, though it seems to us little bit funny. Okay, two parabolas, how? But if you consider this as the combination of two parabola, then it will be an easy task for you to remember. See, okay. So this is one parabolic curve. This is one parabolic curve. Combinedly, that will give you hyperbola. Now, this parabola meets horizontal axis at A and A dash like ellipse. This A dash in ellipse you got as uh, major axis and minor axis, and here A dash will be transverse axis. Same thing, but it will be renamed. Its length is also 2a. A dash is also 2a, where a comma 0 and a dash minus a comma 0. So let us label it by a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. As we are considering this thing as a parabolic curve, so it must have focus. You just recall that parabola's focus lie where? In the right part of this curve, where the curve is about to bend.
Yes, sir.
So this is focus. Then you can say, okay, there is pair of curve. So there will be two focus. Yes, like ellipse. There will be another focus. So in plural, it is called foci. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Now, what is PS is equal to PM? See, in parabola you are taught that just opposite to focus there is a straight line which is called directrix. So here we get directrix like this, but two curve, that means two directrix. This curve directrix is like this. Now PS, P lies here, PS, and that is PM. PS and PM, and that is PS dash and PM dash. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So that ratio, PS and PM, that ratio is E. E stands for eccentricity, which you are taught in parabola and hyperbola. Eccentricity.
Okay,
In
sir.
case of hyperbola, E must be greater than 1. Now, this P is what kind of P? Is it a fixed point or variable point? Variable point. S is a fixed point. We don't know its coordinate yet. So now P will about to move. P will move and suppose P reaches A. P यहाँ से मूव किया और A का ऊपर आ गया, तब M नीचे आ जाएगा और एक टाइम इसको हम Z ले सकता है. ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रिक्स. So that P will move along this curve, and when it reaches A, then M will fall down along y-axis, reaches Z. Means that PS is equal to EPM. That is the basic requirement to construct an hyperbola. Now that P has fallen on A, ये P A बन गया, P A के ऊपर आ गया, नीचे आके that P has become A. P has become A. So PS has become AS. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now ये जो लाइन PS AS हो गया, ये जो PS था ये AS हो गया, तो PM AZ हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं?
हाँ, sir.
Similarly, if I consider from this side, PS dash is equal to EPM dash. Now, if P comes down along this curve, once it reaches A, that PS dash has become AS dash. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then that PM dash will become, say, AZ dash. Now, what will be the privilege of doing this? You observe this is called center C. I am denoting it by C. Now, AS means that CS minus CA. Instead of this AS, I can write, CS minus CA. Okay? CS minus CA will be AS. AS or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And AZ means what? CA minus CZ. AZ
Yes.
means CA minus CZ. Similarly, AS dash means CA plus CS dash. CA plus CS dash, and AZ dash. Where is AZ dash means CA plus CZ dash. One thing I forgot to write. I forgot to write that E. That is CA plus CZ dash. Now I will add them up. I will just add them up. What is CA? What is CA? I have let A is equal to A0. So by this figure, it is clearly visible that bold line CA is equal to CA dash is equal to A. Okay, CA is equal to CA dash is equal to A. So if I add, CA will get cancelled, and see, CZ and CZ dash symmetrical. Yes or no? These two lines are symmetrical with respect to y-axis. Means
Yes,
these
sir.
two lines are at same distance from C. So by magnitude, I can write CZ is equal to CZ dash. So I can add. So CS plus CS and CS dash have same length. These have same magnitude. CS is equal to CS dash. So twice CS, twice ECA, 2 cancel. So CS is equal to E into A. So CS length, that length I have got EA or AE. AE. Therefore CS dash also AE. So I have got the coordinate of two foci. Coordinate of the foci. Therefore, foci S dash is what? Plus minus AE comma 0. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. E is eccentricity, that you know. By adding this, we got, it is, you can say, okay, it is synonymous to ellipse. Yes. By considering this thing as a parabola and taking the concept of ellipse, we are proceeding. Because this is conic section. All these three, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, came from a conic. So by sectioning a conic. Now we will add, we have added it. Now we will subtract the first one from second and see the outcome. See, you rewrite the equation. CA CS dash is CA plus CZ dash. CA minus CS dash is CA minus CZ dash. CZ, sorry. That is I have written this equation. Now I am choosing this equation. CS minus CA is equal to E CA minus CZ. Now we will subtract. By subtraction, what we will get? This will be plus, minus, plus. So if I subtract, what I will get? Twice CA. CS and CA dash will get cancelled. Twice CA. And if I subtract this, twice ECZ. And you, why, how I am authorized to do that? Because CZ and CZ dash are same by length. So 2 will get cancelled. What about CA? What about CA? CA length is A. CA's length is A. So you can write A is equal to ECZ. Therefore, CZ A by E. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So CZ is what? X component or Y component? Let's see. CZ is X component. CZ dash is also X component. Once you get X component, that means the line is parallel to Y axis. These are called directrix. So we have got the equation of directrix. So CZ is equal to A by B, E is equal to CZ dash. Therefore, equation of directrix X is equal to plus minus A by E. Okay, X is equal to plus minus A by E. So we have got coordinate of foci and equation of directrix. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to frame the equation of hyperbola. Just wait. Now equation of hyperbola. Again we have to take the help of this figure. So till now we have got foci S and S dash, that is plus minus AE comma 0, and directrix X is equal to plus minus A by E. Now you take the relation PS is equal to EPM again. PS is equal to EPM, and do one thing. From P you drop a perpendicular. What is the use of it? That we will see. And level the foot of the perpendicular by N, capital N. Just wait. Capital N, Pn, that is Pn. Now we know PS is equal to EPM. PS is what? S. Now you have got A comma 0, P is X comma Y. So PS is distance formula. In junior class you were taught PS is X minus A whole square plus Y minus 0 whole square. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And what about PM? What about PM? PM is, you observe carefully, this is 0 0, that is X. See, this is X component. So this is also X component. Now this length is A by E. Why? Few minutes back you have already got that CZ is equal to A by E. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो देखो यहाँ पे जो CZ है, CZ का लेंथ, इसका जो लेंथ है A by E. सो ये PM का लेंथ क्या होगा? ये टोटल लेंथ X, इसका लेंथ A by E, तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट X माइनस A by E है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
X minus A by E. X minus A by E. That is length of PM. by geometry we have comprehended. So instead of Pm, I can write E x minus A by E, close the bracket. Now our job is so simple. We are about to get the equation of hyperbola. Now squaring both sides. Open it. X square from both sides. We can cancel this. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now you do one thing. You bring a square. That a square in left hand side. Here some critical manipulation is required. A square is square and a square will be clubbed together. In right hand side we have e square x square. So left hand side x square to be shifted to right hand side. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and that plus y square will be taken to the right hand side. It will become minus. So we are gradually tending to form the equation of hyperbola. From here I can take what common? A square. E square minus 1. From here I can take x square common. So like ellipse, our aim will be to bring a 1 in place of that constant term. How to bring 1 over here? I will divide both sides by this part, this algebraical component. So you divide left hand side by this and also right hand side by this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In left hand side, this will be cancelled and our desirable 1 has come, and this part you split. Now this part cancel. You will get what? X square by a square minus y square, a square e square minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the equation of the hyperbola. Apparently in ellipse you got plus instead of minus, और अभी जो है वो माइनस होगा बीच में. But we should not keep the component below y square in this way. I will equate this term, this gigantic figure, with a constant term Again, let a square square minus 1 is equal to b square. What is b? See, this part is a dash, and if I draw one straight line passes to origin and its conjugate, there will be b dash, but you know that point is rough point, it is a not fixed point, it can be anywhere. So I will let this thing a square by b square, a square minus 1 is equal to b square. So this equation of hyperbola has become is equal to 1. Where? From here, what I can get? What I can get? I can get the value of e. E square is what? 1 plus b square by e square. Now, here to be what to be noticed? That e square is 1 plus something. So here it is clearly depicted e is somehow greater than 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 से ज़्यादा. So e होगा root 1 plus b square by a square, that is eccentricity. So this is the equation of hyperbola. Okay, where a greater than b clearly.
Okay, sir.
This is the equation of hyperbola. So in short span, we can say this is the equation of the hyperbola, where center C 0 0, transverse axis 2a, where a dash, that is where a comma 0, a dash, a dash minus a comma 0, and you know major and minor axis in ellipse to be written in hyperbola, transverse and conjugate axis. Conjugate axis
Okay, sir.
2b, where b is 0b, b dash 0 minus b. Now that is which is equal to b dash, and foci s dash, two focus in plural, it is called foci. Directrix, two directrix, x is equal to plus minus a by e, where e is equal to root over of 1 plus b square by a square. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is the primary thing of hyperbola. Now, conjugate hyperbola. Conjugate. Just 1 minute. Conjugate hyperbola. What is that? See, in normal hyperbola, we have got this construction x square by a square, y square by b square 1. What is conjugate hyperbola? Here the hyperbola is drawn with respect to y-axis and x-axis. X-axis as transversal, y as conjugate axis. But if you draw in reverse mode, then it is called conjugate hyperbola. See, in this case, we got a dash on x-axis. Now, you will get a dash along y-axis. Means everything will be changed. Like ellipse, only the thing will be reversed. In the previous figure, that white colored figure, that transversal axis lies on x-axis. Now, if you revert the figure, the transversal axis lies on y-axis. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understand.
So, in this case, equation will be, in this case, its equation will be x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. Here, transverse axis is this. Length of transverse axis, not 2a but 2b. Everything will be reversed. Length of conjugate axis, that is 2a. Now, foci. Earlier you got foci what? Plus minus a comma 0. Now,
Yes, sir.
now foci s dash. Foci 0 comma plus minus b. Earlier you got directrix. X is equal to plus minus a by e. Now, directrix y is equal to plus minus b by e. X will become y, y will become x. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, earlier in this case, eccentricity is what? Root b square by a square. Here also it is reversed. Eccentricity root 1 plus a square by b square. Understand?
Yes, sir.
In the previous figure, we missed out one criteria. What is that? Like parabola, like ellipse, it has also latus rectum. Means if I draw a perpendicular on x, it will meets the parabola into 2 point. So it has two latus rectum, L1, L2, L1 dash, L2 dash. Okay. Here L1, L2, L1 dash, L2 dash is length of latus rectum. Latus rectum that we missed out. Okay, no matter. Easily we can get the result. See, this is the equation of the hyperbola we have just got. Now, you do one thing. What about this point? What is its coordinate? Do we know? Yes, हम जानते हैं. ये देखो, ये जो लेंथ है C से स्टार्ट होके इतना तक गया, ये है AE. सो ये जो पॉइंट है इसका x कंपोनेंट है AE. y कंपोनेंट क्या है अभी तक जानता नहीं है. ठीक है, AE, y. ओके.
Yes.
तो ये जो AE, y किसका ऊपर है? वो हाइपरबोला का एक पार्ट का ऊपर है. सो लेट L1 be AE, y lies on hyperbola x square by a square y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay. Now इसका x कंपोनेंट है क्या? AE. पुट करो, a square by a square. So a square तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now square is what? E already we have got √1 plus b square by a square. इसका जो वैल्यू है जस्ट ड्रैग करके यहाँ पे पुट कर दो. E है ये, स्क्वायर क्या होगा? रूट हट जाएगा. होप यू आर गेटिंग.
Yes, sir.
Simple calculation, nothing else. Don't get tensed. So you have got y square is equal to b square by b to the power 4 plus minus b square by a. So why this is b square by a, this is minus b square by a. So total length 2b square by a. So length of lattice rectum, therefore length of lattice rectum 2b square by a. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But in this case, length of lattice rectum, it will be reversed. A square by b. Twice a square by b. Okay. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Now this is the conjugate hyperbola. Important that is.